If you need to weld 3 pipes at a 90-degree angle and don't know how to cut the pipes correctly, this video will teach you how to do it. This is one of the simplest but most effective ways to mark a pipe for cutting. So, you have a pipe that needs to be cut for welding. Take a small piece of thick paper and wrap it around the pipe. Draw a line on the paper that coincides with the edge of the paper. Cut the paper along the drawn line. Now draw lines on the paper as shown in the video graphic. Cut the paper along the resulting curved line. Draw more lines as shown in the video. These lines will serve as a guide when rotating the paper 90 degrees. Wrap the paper around the pipe and secure it with tape. Draw a line on the pipe along the cut edge of the paper. Rotate the pipe 90 degrees. Draw another line on the pipe along the cut edge of the paper. Remove the paper from the pipe. The markings on the pipe are the lines for cutting the pipe at a 90-degree angle in 3 directions. As you can see in the video, the cut planes intersect at a 90-degree angle. Cut the pipe along the lines you drew. Do the same with the other pipes. Connect the 3 cut pipes. The edges of the cut pipes match perfectly. Simple geometry, but what an amazing result. You can weld the pipes.